This is a very simple question. 106.7 minus 103.81. You'll be thinking, what is so special about this question, right? This is just normal subtraction. You can do it and get the answer in a few seconds. Yes, you're absolutely right. This is just normal subtraction. There is no twist in this question. But what we are trying to say is, this is a question with normal subtraction, but there are only two terms, right? So when you're given two terms, you can easily subtract and get the answer. Or this subtraction, leave it. It can be any operation like multiplication, division, addition, anything, okay? So in case you're given two numbers, it is very easy to do that. But how do you subtract n number of terms? That is, if you are given 5 terms, a mix of addition and subtraction and all, how do you do that? Yes, you can do that again doing a step-by-step process, but we're talking about speed here, okay? So how do you do that in a very quick manner? For that, we need to see this question, okay? So I've already read the question. Now let's see the options. 2.91, 2.89, 3.11 and none of the above. Okay, so these are the four options, and now we'll see how to solve such a question. For this, what do you have to do? You have to separate the integer part and the decimal part, right? So the first number is 106.7, the second number is 103.81. So what you do? First separate 106 and 103 from those numbers. So it will be 106 minus 103. And if you take the decimal part, it will be 0.7 minus 0.81. Okay. Now I have separated the given numbers into the integer parts and the decimal parts. And now you solve each of these parts individually. So 106 minus 103 will be equal to 3. And 0.7 minus 0.81 will be equal to minus 0.11. Right? So what do you get finally? It will be 3 minus 0.11. So the answer is 2.89. You can try the normal subtraction and you will get the same answer. Right? As I already said, since there are only two terms, this method is not a very valid method here. But this can be very useful if you are given multiple terms. Okay, so the answer is 2.89, which is option B.